All right, we're doing the uphills and now we're doing downhills. Oh, dang. What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode, First Time Recycling. Got myself Hero here, Alvin.
Your superstars.
Superstars of the show.
Yep.
Today we have a new product that we're going to be hooking Alvin's mountain bike up with. And what is that?
A dropper Seatpost by a company called KS. Now, from my understanding, this is going to be the cable dropper Seatpost. Now, what you guys might notice is I have the lever on the seat, so it always looks like I'm feeling myself when we're riding, and
He's like, woo!
Yeah. So I just like, but it's kind of hard. A lot of people don't realize if you're starting to go downhill and you forgot to move your seat down, to have to go and try to hold on and reach, and it gets a little
taking an arm off of the bar. That's not good. Yeah.
So Hero was nice enough for the holidays to purchase a dropper Seatpost for me.
Yeah.
So you can kind of see the wrapping paper still on there. But yeah, so I'm very excited to actually put this on. Obviously their website is kssuspension.com.
KS stands for Kind Shock, if you guys didn't know
Kind Shock.
So another reason why we went for this one was, one, because of the lever needs to be on the bar so he can have his hands on the bar. And this one is starting to act up. When he's riding, it'll either raise on its own or lower on its own.
Most of the time on a hot day it lowers.
Yeah, so
and if we're climbing,
that's not good.
We're gonna try to bolt this on for you guys so you can actually see how easy it is to install. Hopefully.
Yep, and it comes with the outside cable, external routing. So we're gonna route it on the bike, probably zip tie it around, try to make it as clean as possible.
Yep. Yeah, we're excited.
And then eventually, for the future of this one, we're gonna try and rebuild it and put it on Alvin's other mountain bike. So just in case we have a guest that doesn't have a mountain bike that wants to try it out, at least they can take it for a spin and have some of the cool features of it.
I have my fat seat on there.
Yeah, that's his granny seat. I call it the granny seat. That thing weighs like 20 pounds and he calls his bike heavy. That's all the weight right there.
No, it's like, I feel this. It's probably lighter than your seat.
Oh, dude, this is heavy, man.
Dang.
All right,
we're ready. We're gonna do it. All right, guys. So I think I figured out how I'm gonna want to set the lever here. So right now we have the lever here, so I can actually just hit it with my thumb, drop the seat or raise the seat. I still have my brakes. Obviously my right arm will still be free. It's the most dominant, so I can still have control as I move my thumb here, as what I'm thinking. Now, obviously the routing is going just along the first brake or hydraulic brake lever line. Yeah.
Right.
And so right now from there, we'll be routing it just right around. And then we have these nice little holders here, where we're going to be able to actually put the zip tie and lock it right in place, and it's going to hold there. We have another one that's right here that will hold right there. Now we can go up the rest of the way, and it has a little clamp that we'll be able to clamp on with the zip tie, hold the wire in place as well. So I think we're good. We just need to cut the wire to length and we'll be good. So we'll get that all set up for you guys so you guys can take a look.
Right. Fun times.
So, as last time, guys, when we were working on this, or working on the other bike, we actually used my wire cutter to cut the wire down. So right now what I'm going to do here is just kind of do a rough measure and get it close.
Oh, he's talking about the road bike,
yeah.
What do you call it?
The pedals.
No, the inline brake levers. When we messed up the cables, now we're smart. So we pulled the cable out, and he's gonna cut the housing down to size and then run the cable through it after.
Yes. So don't make any mistakes.
Learn from your mistakes.
Alright, so now that we got it routed the way we want and we have it cut down to size, which we'll put the cap back on here, Right now I'm going to run the zip ties in the holders and hold it in place. Slide this back on just so this looks nice and good.
What are you doing right now?
Alright, should hold in this here, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if this is the right thing to do.
Looks like, yeah, it looks like it. That thing will fasten the cable down into the holder. Yeah, there you go. And that's it. Actuating.
Should we be going further?
I don't know. Let's see.
Push it down.
Yeah.
Push it down from there. No, push the LC down.
Oh. Nope.
Try again.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe we should put the seat on it.
Okay, put the seat on.
Alright, we're doing the uphills, and now we're doing downhills. Oh, dang. Alright. Yeah, and you don't have to take your hands off the bars.
No. It's actually, I feel like this is a good position right here.
Okay.
It's like a perfect position. It's like click, click.
I wish you would change your seat though.
Heroes embarrassed to be with
No. Whatever's comfortable for you, but the seat looks.
He's like, I don't want to ride with a grandpa.
Woo! Alright, yeah.
Done. Looks good.
These levers here. And
Feels
he has
good.
all this.
And I actually like it right there because I can actually sit there, full there, adjust the seat there, and it physically works. So, nicest, cleanest part on the whole bike.
It needs a wash. But it was cool that we found out that this bike was already made with little hooks where you can route the cable and then use the zip tie to route the cable along the frame to the dropper post.
Yeah.
So yeah, can't wait to test it. Alvin's happy.
Yes.
I'm happy. And now that he doesn't have to reach to his seat to pull the other lever. This guy right here.
But it's not bad. Like I said, it's
Yeah.
still not bad, but it's just, yeah, if it didn't start failing, you know. Yeah,
Maybe this thing's messed up, but we'll see when we
Yeah.
open this up just to see what's inside and try and fix it ourselves and then put this on his other mountain bike.
Yeah, so we'll be doing that hopefully soon. We're excited to start that project.
Yep.
Maybe take apart that bike and do some like a full rebuild on it.
Yeah,
And then
tune up, a full tune up.
once we do that, then we can maybe come to this guy and try to do it on this one as well.
Yep.
And then we'll work from there.
And then do my mountain bike next.
Mm.
Anyways,
All right.
if you like this video, make sure to smash that like.
Smash.
Scroll to the bottom right. Yeah. Scroll to the bottom right, hit that subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are down below. And yeah,
Don't
thanks
forget
for
to
watching.
comment if you have any questions.
Yeah, if you have any
comment.
comments,
Yeah, all that
questions,
fun stuff.
leave them down below.
Yeah. All right.
Alrighty.
Anyway,
Peace out,
laters.
guys. Woo!